Hard drives, just like all electronic and mechanical devices, can die for many reasons, even for Mac. In this video, we are going to show you how to recover data from dead hard drive on Mac. Your hard drive may be dead for wear and tear, aging, corrupted elements, serious malware, and virus attack. Too many hard drive bad sectors, as well as abrupt computer shutdown. Before you go to fix your dead hard drive on Mac, you better find a reliable tool to recover your significant data from it. Here's how to do it. Google Tenorshare 4DDiG to visit its official website. 4DDiG can recover everything you lost and recover from all Mac-based devices including USB, SD card, digital camera, and more in any scenario with 1,000 plus files and formats supported. Just click Free Download to download and install it on your Mac, and you can also find its download link from the video description as well. Launch 4DDiG Recovery. On the main interface, you will see locations where you can recover lost data, including your local disks, lost partition, trash bin, crash Mac, etc. In our case, select the dead hard drive and then click on Scan to proceed. 4DDiG will start an all-around scan on your dead hard drive on Mac, and you can also pause the scanning as you want. Wait patiently for the scanning to complete, which will depend on the data size on it. When the scanning is completed, all files from your dead hard drive will be listed on the left side in respective file types and folders. You can choose your desired files to preview and recover them. Select the location where you want to save the recovered file. Now, you can rest assured to send your dead hard drive for someone to fix after you perform data recovery with 4DDiG. That's all about how to recover data from dead hard drive on Mac. Subscribe us to find more useful videos. If you have any question or thought, just leave your comments below. See you next time.